Welcome to the KOAMTAC Introductory Guide for the KDC180 Wearable Bluetooth Barcode Scanner. The KDC180 is our flagship wearable scanner. It boasts a best-in-class 2D imager equipped with BLE 5.0 connectivity, instant NFC pairing, is ruggedized for use in all environments, and is compatible with several wearable accessories. There are several models of the KDC180 available, from our basic 3-key scanner to those with numeric keypad or UHF reading capabilities. Before we get started, let's see what's in the box. Included with your scanner is a protective silicone boot, KDC lanyard with belt clip attachment, a Type-C USB cable for charging and data transfer, the KOAMTAC Quick Manual, KDC 180 Mini Guide, and the KOAMTAC On Guide. The KDC 180 has 3 buttons for operation: scan, up, and down. To turn the scanner on, press and hold both the scan and down buttons for approximately 3 seconds. To turn it off, press and hold the same scan and down buttons for 3 seconds again. To access the menu for pairing and configuration, press the up and down buttons simultaneously. Then, use the arrow keys to navigate to the desired menu choice, using Scan to select. To return to the main screen, simultaneously press the up and down buttons again. The KDC180 can connect via Bluetooth to your smartphone, tablet, or other device in several ways. It features quick NFC pairing for capable Android devices. You can also connect using KT Sync or one of the Bluetooth pairing barcodes listed in the Quick Manual. For guides on pairing, check out the links below. To use the scanner, simply press the scan or trigger button while aiming at the desired barcode. If the read is successful, you will hear a single beep and the LED will glow green. The scan data will appear on the screen. If the scan is unsuccessful, you will hear multiple beeps and the LED will glow red. Read failed will appear on the screen. When using the KDC180 model with the UHF reader, the default setting is in barcode mode. To switch to UHF tag reading, press and hold up for 3 seconds. You will hear 1 long and 2 short beeps, and UHF mode will appear on the screen. There are 3 different tag reading modes. The default UHF mode is active reading. To switch between modes, press and hold down to move between active, single, or multiple read mode. To return to barcode mode, press and hold up again. The KDC180 has 2 different wearable accessories available: the ring trigger and the safety glove. Both wearables operate by pressing the trigger button with the thumb. The scanner is designed to be freely switched from one wearable to another. Simply squeeze the tabs on the side of the chassis holding the scanner and lift. Then, snap it into the chassis of the desired wearable, making sure the pogo connectors are aligned. The ring trigger can be used for either left or right hand, depending on how the scanner is oriented on the trigger. The safety gloves are available in 2 sizes for both right and left hands. The KDC180 charges via the USB port on the side of the scanner with the cable included. It also features pogo pins on the top of the scanner for charging in the KDC180 Charging Cradles. The KDC180 has a rechargeable 1010 mAh battery inside, which can be swapped on the go by pressing the release button to pop open the battery door and removing the battery. Grab a new battery from the charging cradle, slide it in, closing the cover to secure. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, including info about our SDK, please contact us using the information on the screen and in the description links below.